The sarso khali is traditionally used in India as an organic fertilizer for flowering and vegetable plants. Add it as a slow release fertilizer. Mustard cake is the residue left over from commercial mustard oil or meal production. Mustard cake is widely used as a fertilizer for flowering and vegetable plants. Mustard oil cake fertilizer is very rich in protein. It provides many micronutrients to your garden as it is rich in potassium, nitrogen, protein, magnesium, sulfur, and phosphorus, which are beneficial for garden plants. Moreover, the mustard cake is eco friendly, renders no harmful effects on the plants. Let's have a look at sarso khali uses in the garden. The first we use as a fertilizer. Friends, the sarso khali is traditionally used in India as an organic fertilizer for flowering and vegetable plants. Add it as a slow release fertilizer and it will provide all the micronutrients that a plant needs to thrive. It is very important fertilizer as we can say. Okay, then the other use is as a pesticide. The addition of mustard cake in the soil prevents the plants from fungus infections due to root rotting. Moreover, it also suppresses the pest like nematodes and aphids. As a potting soil ingredient, along with the other parts like coco peat, sand, perlite, and garden soil, you can also use sarso khali in potting soil, especially for flowering and vegetable plants. Make sure to use only one part of sarso khali in the potting mix to add profound blooming and accelerated growth. Use as a liquid fertilizer. Ferment the mustard cake in an pot or any plastic bucket as I am doing by soaking 100 grams of sarso khali in 1 liter of water. Mix it well. Now cover the bucket with a lid and let it brew for 3 to 4 days. After 4 days, dilute it further by mixing 500 ml or 1 liter water into the ferment solution. Use this liquid fertilizer on flowering and vegetable plants and use it as an another way as an organic top dressing. Make a powder of the mustard cake by grinding it in a mixer. As you can see, I have grinded it in a mixer. Top dress the vegetable or flowering plants with the layer of this powder khali. Alternatively, you can mix 20 grams of powdered mustard cake in the soil as a slow release organic fertilizer. Friends, last but not the least, the important thing or very useful thing about mustard cake fertilizer is this is a natural mustard oil cake is environment friendly and contains all the nutrients that are required for a healthy plant. So, this is a plant friendly, you can say, fertilizer. Sarso ki khali works well when used with other basic fertilizer like vermicompost, compost and seaweed green. If you like this piece of information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.